Hey, hi. I'm Lawrence Lim here, and I would like to share with you one of the screencast web-based screen recorder that I have just learned and found out, and it is called the Screencast-o-Matic. And a Screencast-o-Matic screen recorder. It is really easy to use. I just spent about half an hour and more or less learn some basic functions, and here I am doing this recording to share with you. And so it's over here is that you can capture any area of your screen to add narration from your microphone and video, and you can also video yourself on the webcam, but I choose to do the screen recording. And you can record lectures, webinars, demos, games, and so on and so forth. And you can actually share free on the screencast-o-matic.com or even onto the YouTube. Or you can even save directly to your video file in your computer. Okay, and I thought just use this to share one of the about this phenomenon, and that is about super blue blood moon, whilst 5,000 people at Singapore Science Center. Yep. And it's really quite a phenomenon that people is actually gathering and to take a look. And local news, Channel News Asia, Straits Times, and Yahoo News Singapore, they are all reporting about it. And so over here, there are friends who are sharing and about this, and taking pictures and sharing in a WhatsApp. And this is one of the blue moon images. I thought it's very clear and quite cool just to share. And of course there are some other friends who are sharing, and over here, and the other one is people are friends are sharing about this. Okay, so that's about it. And so I thought instead of talking about what I've learned, I thought to do this recording to share and how I have learned to use this, and hopefully I can apply this for my future teaching and education activities. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.